So are you planning a trip to Belgium and you want the best eSIM to stay connected without paying crazy roaming fees? Then you're in the right place. My name is Jeremy, and after testing dozens of eSIMs while traveling, today I'm breaking down the top 2 best eSIM options for Belgium in 2025. So I'm going to break down the pricing, data, and what you actually get. And yes, I've also included discounts just in case you're interested. The links are found in the description below, and we're ready to dive in. So the eSIM provider that I recommend for Belgium is Maya Mobile. It's super affordable and it's flexible, which makes it a great choice. For Belgium, you can get 3 gig for $7.19, valid for 10 days. If you need more data than that, there's 5 gig for $8.99, 10 gig for $13.49, and 20 gig for $18.89, all with 10-day valid time frame. For heavy users, you can go for 40 gig for $29.69 or unlimited data for $25.19, also valid for 10 days. Everything is 5G enabled, so you get the super fast speeds right away. Checkout process is quick and you're going to get your QR code instantly. There's no app needed. Just buy, scan the code, start browsing. If you use the link below, you're going to get a 10% discount automatically applied. And let me explain how to get started with Maya Mobile and claim that discount. So when you click the link in the description below, it's going to take you to Maya's homepage. And from there, you're just going to type in Belgium into the destination search bar. You'll see a list of available plans, and you're just going to choose the one that fits your needs the best. At checkout, you're going to see the 10% discount automatically applied on the screen. And once you complete the payment, you're going to get a QR code instantly. You're just going to scan that with your phone and your eSIM will be activated and ready to use in minutes. Now, if you've already tried Maya and you didn't like it so far, or maybe you just want an easy in-app top-up system, then I'll recommend Airalo's Belgianet plans start at 1 gig for $4.50, valid for 7 days. You can also get 2 gig for $7 for 15 days or 3 gig for $9 for 30 days. Then for heavier data users, there's the 5 gig plan for $12.50, 10 gig for $20, or 20 for $30. All of these last for 30 days. But if you need unlimited data for a short time, the 10-day pass for $35 is a solid choice. Finally, the app is super easy to use. Just pick Belgium, pay, and your QR code shows up right away. Plus, with the 10% discount mentioned in the description below, every plan gets even cheaper. So, which one should you choose, Airalo or Maya Mobile? Well, if you want the best deal for medium to heavy data over a short period of time, then Maya is the way to go. You can get data as cheap as 75 cents per gig with the 20 gig plan. Plus, their unlimited pass beats everyone else. But if you're staying for a whole month or you just like the convenience of easy top-ups in an app, then Airalo is a great option too. It's reliable and still a solid choice. Both links are in the description with exclusive discounts already applied. Just pick the one that suits your trip the best, follow the steps, and you'll be connected to Belgium in just a few minutes. No roaming, no SIM card swaps, no stress. Safe travels, and I will see you in the next video.